scarce water resources will be key to addressing the challenges caused by climate change. The Kenya National Irrigation Sector Investment Plan is expected to coordinate and ensure the harnessing of water resources for the benefit of communities whose livelihoods are being constrained by erratic rainfall and frequent droughts resulting from climate change, leaving irrigation and water conservation as their only option.
NISIP is trying to accelerate the area under irrigation. We intend to put 1 million acres in the next 10 years. And NISIP has 5 key investment pathways. One of them is a public increasing area, expanding area under irrigation in the public schemes. And this will mainly help us to address one of the value chains, that is rice, that is the rice value chain. The role of NISIP in ensuring we curb floods and mitigate against drought, NISIP has actually one investment pathway called ASAL. In the ASAL pathway, we've mapped all the laggers in the northern, all the laggers in the country, and from these laggers, we want to, NISIP is trying to mobilize investments, especially more from the climate funding, so that we can be able to build infrastructures for storage, that we can be able to harvest water and use the same water for production.
Businesses in the agriculture value chain can